Hi, welcome to Textmagic. In this video, we'll walk you through the 10 DLC number registration process. This is an industry-wide requirement designed to protect consumers from spam and fraud. That is why US carriers, the campaign registry, and Textmagic will block SMS campaigns that do not comply with the 10 DLC regulations. The approval process usually takes up to 7 business days. Brand registration is where you provide important details about your business, such as the company name, type, address, and tax ID. This helps carriers identify your business as a trusted sender. Enter your organization's legal business name, exactly how it is registered with the EIN. Add a brand name if it differs. Select the type and legal structure of your business. Select the applicable industry and enter your employer identification number or other tax identification. Provide your official website address and add social media links, if applicable. Add the official address of the organization. Enter contact details for your company representative, who can be the point of contact in case of questions. The campaign registry will send a 2-factor authentication email to the provided address within 1 to 2 business days after the form submission. You'll have 7 days to verify your brand by clicking the link in the email. Next, we have the 10 DLC campaign. This is where you define the purpose, content, and audience for the texts you'll be sending. Start by selecting the category that best represents your use case. If you have multiple use cases, choose the mixed option and mark all that apply. Give your campaign a name. Then, briefly describe the details of the campaign, who the sender is, who the recipients are, and why messages are being sent to the recipients. Provide 2 to 5 examples of messages you will send. Include 1 example for each selected use case. The business name or website must be clearly visible in each message. Use square brackets to indicate dynamic fields, such as names, order numbers, or dates. At least 1 sample message must include opt-out instructions. If your messages include links or phone numbers, check the box and ensure they are shown in the samples. Click Save and continue to Step 4, Opt-in Flow and Opt-out Flows. What is an opt-in flow? It's the process where customers give their consent to receive texts from your business, ensuring they are protected from spam and fraud. Opt-in flow is required by law, and your campaign can only be verified if recipients have explicitly agreed to receive your messages. Opt-out is the process where customers can withdraw their consent and stop receiving texts from your business whenever they choose. Here, explain how your recipients agree to receive texts from you. This could be on a website, verbally, through a paper form, or at a point of sale. If you don't have a proper opt-in process, we recommend setting one up to avoid legal issues. You can use our subscribe form to create a compliant opt-in process for your website. You also must include a link to your privacy policy and SMS terms, which are 10 DLC compliant. If your opt-in mechanism is not publicly accessible at the website URL, you must upload proof of your opt-in method, such as screenshots of an opt-in form on your website, a picture of a paper form, or similar. Textmagic pre-fills the opt-in, opt-out, and help auto-reply messages for you to ensure that the text is clear and compliant. You only need to include your brand name. We recommend not to make any changes to these fields. In the final step, review all the information you've entered. Double-check for accuracy. If you need to make changes, you can go back and edit. Textmagic covers the one-time cost of your 10 DLC registration, and the first month is free. Later, you must pay $10 monthly for the 10 DLC campaign renewal, plus the texting number fee. Once everything looks good, submit the form. It usually takes up to 7 business days to get your 10 DLC brand and campaign approved. Once you submit the form, Textmagic will manually review your application and forward it to the external messaging aggregator within 24 hours. If any information is missing or needs clarification, we'll contact you directly to resolve it. You'll also receive email updates as your application progresses. You can also monitor the status by visiting the 10DLC registration page in your Textmagic account. Once your application is approved, you're all set to start messaging through your number. If your form is rejected, contact Textmagic to check if resubmission is possible. Thanks for watching, and happy texting with Textmagic.